Hello guys, welcome to a very denim themed video. Denim hat, denim jacket, denim corset, denim everything. I mean, okay, so this isn't a hat, it's shorts I'm wearing on my head, but anyways, what is up beautiful people? It's Amber, welcome back to my channel, and today we're doing a little bit of, well, you guessed it, denim. So you guys saw my last video where I went jean shopping, and you might have seen I have a little bit of an obsession with denim lately. Not quite as strong as Brittany and JT circa, you know, whenever this was, but today I thought it'd be fun to do a little bit of my usual cheap, easy, fabulously amazing, very extra denim DIYs. Broke bitch makeover style, of course. Alrighty, is this enough denim for you? Damn, lots. So, like I said, I just went jean shopping literally the other day. If you missed that video, you can click on it here. You could see all this shenanigans. But I, like always, am bored of things in the stores, and I always want them to be a little bit more extra. So real quick before we get started, we're gonna go pick up some materials. So here is a little bit of time travel to me yesterday, picking up some goodies. Magic. Yes, the beautiful downtown Los Angeles. Oh my God, look at all the fabrics. Okay, so we're of course gonna go visit Benjamin, but hi. We're also gonna get a bunch of other stuff, so let's see what we find. Look good, do you look good? Okay, hi Benny. Hello. Welcome to the party. Actually, I just the one who stormed in on you. Anyways. The party. So we're doing some DIY denim stuff today. So
denim, I love it. Last time everybody loved it.
Yeah, so we're gonna like decorate some denim. So I don't know if you have any ideas.
Many ideas. Many. Let's do it.
Oh, I love this store so much. Okay, so what are we going to use today? Oh my God, okay, so these are gonna be so cool. I think we're gonna go with maybe a glittery heart. Ooh, maybe a cross. Ooh, there's too many choices. So I definitely need some stuff. I think we're gonna lose some like glue-on patches and also some crystally things, but TBD. We'll just see what there is. Oh my God, look at all of this. This is gonna be perfect. Wow. This is literally heaven. I could live in here. Oh my God, the lion is serving. Can't resist the pink. Hey Ben, thank you. Woohoo! Alrighty, mission accomplished in Ben's, the house of Benjamin. So now, oh God, son. Anywhoosie, we're gonna go ahead and stop in and get some patches because that's another fun thing to do. Oh my gosh, yes, this is just like patch heaven. It's so cool in here. I really think I want to do something with, do they have them? Aha. Fruit. All right, we're also gonna get some fun lace trims. I don't know which one's gonna be the coolest, but we'll see. Ooh, these are fun. Okay, we got lots of goods. So, I think that is a wrap on that. So we're gonna go home and I will show you all of my dirty little secrets that aren't really dirty. And they're not secrets, but whatever. And now it's today again. Isn't time travel amazing? I love the magic of editing. So, today, now we have all our denim and we got the goods. So here are all of the different things that I picked up from downtown. You can see we got some random sparkly appliques, we got some lace, we got some lace again. We've got some really cool crystally trim, OMG. I actually used this in my DIY fantasy bra video, so picked up some more of that. You can click that here if you want to see. I got some cool patches and basically just, oh, and of course trusty E6000 glue. So we got a lot of shenanigans. Not to mention we also have some good old-fashioned scissors. So, here we go. I probably shouldn't be flinging these so close to my face, but, anyways, here we go. My denim hacks. Alrighty, so we're gonna go ahead and start out with these shorts that I put on my Instagram story the other day. So you can see here they are. They are just plain shorts here, and we're gonna go ahead and decorate them with some lace. So you can see, again, they're just a little too short. So one of the coolest hacks to do that is just put lace around the bottom here. All you gotta do is take a needle and thread and just kind of stitch that underneath it. So it goes around or under, over, under, just like Mama taught you until it is all connected. You can go ahead and put some extra thread on the top here, like on the pockets, just for a little added fun. So again, sew that on together, and you can see, voila! So stinking cute, costs like $2, and looks amazing. I love it. So next you can see we have some acid wash jeans, just kind of plain and boring, but we have some fabulous patches that we picked out downtown, and we're just gonna go ahead and decorate the jeans with those. So you can see we're gonna put those on the pockets, really wherever else you wanna put them, it's totally up to you. So we're just gonna grab trusty E6000 glue, put some glue on the back there, and you can literally just stick those right on until you create any pattern that you want, any decor that you want, and Voila! Let that dry overnight, and then you will have some fabulous, bootylicious, cherry poppin' jeans. Next up, you can see we have some already ripped jeans here. So we're gonna make these holes a little more exciting by adding lace and crystals to them. So there's two options here. Basically, we're just gonna go ahead and cut the lace and the crystals down to size. So you can see nice little small pieces there. And then we're gonna flip the jeans inside out so we can sew it on easier. So you can see we're just gonna go ahead and lay the lace on there. Same thing for the crystal. And again, you guessed it, just a little bit of needle and thread again. And you can just stitch that into the jean like so. Haha, like so. Get it? I love a pun. So then when you flip them right side out again, you can see the holes kind of have like a specialty back to them. So when you wear them, you can see the lace will pop through, the crystals will pop through, and just overall gives your ripped jeans a little bit of a fun flair. Speaking of ripped jeans, let's do how to rip jeans. We have these jeans that I bought at Old Navy the other day, but of course I want them to look a little more Kylie Jenner Ho-esque. So you can see them on here, very cute, but I want the booty to kind of have that little crop hole thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and see where I kind of want to cut them, which looks like right a little bit below the butt cheek here. So I'm just gonna take the scissors, cut them in a straight line, really easy. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and cut another line. So we kind of have like a little, I don't know what you even call this, but this little extra chunk here. Then I'm gonna take tweezers, or I actually am using a plier to pull at the threads individually until they kind of pop out and make it look like, well, ripped. Eventually, over time, it's gonna end up looking like this, and you can see when you put them on, ooh la la, Kylie who? We got some less than classy pants, but definitely make a fashion statement. Like, remember this photo? What's the point of fashion if you can't have a little fun? Alrighty, next up we have these dark wash jeans, and we're gonna get to bust out the crystal hearts for these. So we're gonna go ahead and actually just make these literally the butt pockets, because honestly, I just think that would be fun. So we're gonna go ahead and take those little crystals, and you can see on like the four corners of them along the sides, we're just gonna go ahead and use needle and thread, and we're going to sew those on. Then on the front, I have this little heart chain thing, and you can see we're gonna kind of put it along the pockets here. So again, needle and thread that. And then you can see once it's on, we got the hearts in the front, we got the hearts in the back. We are breaking hearts all over town in our glittery heart butt jeans. There's a sentence I never thought I would say, but hey, looking groovy, sis. Looking groovy. Alrighty, next up, we're back to some denim shorts here. So we're gonna add a little bit of crystally flair to these guys. So again, with the patches, I got these butterfly patches downtown. So I'm just gonna go ahead and stitch these on again with needle and thread. So it kind of creates like a funky little butterfly look. You could totally leave them just like that, but we're gonna add some more crystals to the rips, because why not? So you can see we're gonna kind of trim those along the edge here. So what we're gonna do is just gonna E6000 glue this, because I'm too lazy to sew anymore. And we're going to put that all along the inside of the jean. And so then when it's flipped right side out, you can see the crystals are going to dangle out like that. So go ahead, glue that down, wait for it to dry overnight, and then when you put them on, oh, look at that! Hot damn, Ma, that is looking fierce. Sparkly butterfly pants on fire. You on fire too. You go. So those are all the jeans that I'm going to be making today, but by the way, if you want even more ideas, I have like 6 billion DIY denim videos on my channel, so if you want to check those out, we have got. If you want a more in-depth tutorial on ripping jeans, I have a full video on that. I also have a video on how to make old jeans into shorts, super easy and super cute. Like, OMG, look at that. I made these. Hashtag proud. We got some crystal denim jackets, before and afters. Like, look at that crystal. Ooh, this was gorgeous. I love it. I still wear this today, actually. I have some DIY embroidered Gucci-inspired jackets that makes you feel like Rihanna. Ooh la la, this was one of my favorite DIYs ever. It just looks so cool. Like, no need to spend $2 grand on a jacket when you can literally just, you know, make it yourself. No offense, Gucci, but you know. If you want to get hella extra, we have the ripped jeans extra edition with the pearls and the crystals, and basically just any other denim hack that you could ever want, I have somewhere on my channel. So if you want more, there's definitely more. A little twist on what Ari says, if you want it, I got it. So there you have it, you guys. That is me DIYing a bunch of denim. I hope you enjoyed the Denimlicious content. Is that so cheesy? Yes, it is, but you know, I'm a cheese ball, so Of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for lots more denim-y content. And of course, check out my Instagram for cool denim pics. I got a lot. Shameless plug. So go out there, rock your denim in any way that you like, and I will see you, queens and kings, and whoever else is watching next time. I love you, my sweet, beautiful angels. Kisses always. XO. Denimed again. Okay.